Hey everyone, Susie here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm going to briefly discuss 3 ways to create generational wealth. So Michael and I often talk about return on impact. Generational wealth can definitely be included on your bucket list, and it definitely creates a generational impact. So generational wealth may have been something that you have heard of, but pushed it to the back of your mind because there was something more pressing to worry about at the time. What generational wealth is that it is money that is passed down from one generation to the next. You have the ability to impact your family in ways that you don't even know yet. Your family could start their life without the financial burden and debt that many of us had. It comes down to having acquired assets or investing in real estate and not using the funds as part of your retirement. So money only solves money problems. Money doesn't bring happiness, but money can be a tool that can be used for so many amazing good things. Money is not the root of all evil. So generational wealth provides you with the opportunity to solve those money problems for the generations after you. Yes, there's more than just providing money. Families need to discuss financial responsibility and the implications of what will happen if all of that money is lost. So I want to start off with the reasons. So reason number 1 is that it can create some certainty when there isn't any. So COVID-19 and the lockdowns created a very scary moment for many people, and it still is. Many people were nervous about their money and many would not. I would never want you or anyone in your family to be part of that group that was nervous about money during that time. Having a passive income stream creates some certainty for your finances if an emergency occurs. And generational wealth is something that can protect your family. It can help your family during those unknown times. This black swan event is not going to be the last of this generation. You want to make sure that your family has at least the very means of the very basics to survive. So reason number 2 is to create a life that is more than about yourself. So my dad is often telling me that I'm a better version of who he is and that he only wants a better life than what he had. And I know that other parents are telling their children that. And I know that Michael and I have discussed what we hope our future children have. Yes, we cannot control the future, but we can try to help to contribute to just a little bit of it. So with that, you can take control of that and start something for them even before they are born. You can create that small ripple that ends up creating a huge wave of relief for them when they are older. So if you haven't heard Michael and I talk about passive income before, we definitely have another video, but to kind of touch on it right now, passive income, once you are investing in real estate, is not only distributed on a monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis, it is also distributed at the time of sale. And that equates to almost half of the return, which, depending on where you are investing, could definitely be different. But for what we are targeting for our investment thesis, you get almost half of it on the return. So think about it this way. If you invest $50,000 when your child is born, it could potentially double to $100,000 by the time they are 5. And if you invest that $100,000 back in when they are 10, it can be $200K. And when they're 15, it could be $400K. Yes, taxes and all of that do apply, but the point of this is that your $50,000 will exponentially grow and help you save money in the long run while potentially paying for your child's education, their first car, their first house, or whatever you deem important. How amazing would that be, you know? Just having that planted seed and watching it grow to that would be amazing. So reason number 3 is that you can create financial responsibility and intelligence. So it is estimated that about 70% of families lose their wealth in the second generation and 90% lose it in the third. What is happening here? I continue to hear my friends say that they wish high schools or even middle schools discussed finances and taught courses on finances. But the high schools and the middle schools are not, and they are not going to start doing so from what I understand right now. So it is part of our responsibility as a parent or guardian to have those crucial conversations with our children. Our children are not always going to carry the same goals that we have, so we must educate them. That is extremely, extremely important. We have to educate them on the importance of being financially responsible. Education is the key. Education on the impact that can be created, education on the passions that can be pursued, education on the importance of lifelong learning. I now witness many families including financial activities in their children's lives, and it's amazing, right? To hear the stories where I have a friend right now, right? And he is actually, he has had his children rent out a toaster and a microwave to, their mom and dad. And that just blows my mind in itself. It really makes me giggle. But another way is that board games are a great way to start education at a young age, and it's a lot of fun for the kids. So promoting this type of education with children will only create something positive. And then also, you can delegate responsibilities to everyone in the family, appropriate for every age. This will help everyone understand what tasks it takes to create this business, and hopefully not just see it as a fund for luxurious items. So life does not always go as planned, so make sure you have whatever safeguards you deem necessary to try to ensure that the money is used responsibly. Generational wealth is more than just money. It is about the long-lasting legacy you can create for your family for years to come. We cannot be rich in this life if we only focus on ourselves. What are you doing within yourself or within your family to create financial responsibility? I'm just gonna leave you with that question, and please reflect on it, and definitely please reach out at any time if you want to discuss this further. So if you found value in this video, please smash the like button below and subscribe to our channel here. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!